Good morning. I am Professor Rajendra Prasad, Director Medical Education, Eras Lucknow Medical College, Lucknow, and Professor and Head, Department of Pulmonary Medicine. I have been former Director, Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, Delhi, and I have also been former Professor and Head, Department of Pulmonary Medicine, King George Medical University, Lucknow. Today, I will share with you for the prevention of COVID. COVID started early part of this year, say from January 2020. And by now, you know that whole of the world has been affected by COVID. More than 6 crore people have been infected globally. And in India, 95 lakh people have been infected by COVID. Globally, there are 14 lakh people who died due to COVID infection, and in India, around 1.35 lakh people have died with COVID infection. Another issue what I have already discussed with you, that the seriousness of disease and death is less in India as compared to the other Western world. So definitely our immunity system is somehow different. I have discussed in another lecture how our immunity could be different. What are the factors? But today I would like to share with you, although if you see the COVID infection, it's a virus. And by now, 11 months has elapsed, that we had hardly any treatment of COVID. Whatever evidence base today we have published, many of the drugs, they are not very effective, except that the steroids have been known to be some useful, especially when the patient is hypoxic. So still the treatment is evolving, and when for any disease there is no treatment, then the prevention is very important. And you know how to prevent it. By this time, we clearly know that for prevention, you have to use mask, you have to follow the rules of social distancing, especially when you are in crowded place. You have to avoid crowded place, and then you have to wash your hands effectively. Now what I have observed, that hardly 30% people in India, there has been one observation, they are wearing the mask. And whosoever is wearing the mask, they are not wearing it very rightly, in right way. Their nose and usually when you wear a mask, your nose and face must be covered. So for prevention, we have 3 very proven methods. One is mask. As far as mask is concerned, you can use any type of mask for general prevention, for the general public. Even our Prime Minister has said that if you can use cloth, which you can wash it, or you can use 3-layered surgical mask. But very clear is that we have to wear the mask. Now, a lot of people are talking about vaccines in COVID. It's a very good news that previously the vaccines used to take years and years time to develop a vaccine for any new infection, against new infection, new disease. But good part that we have developed, probably we are at the verge of coming out new vaccine for COVID just for in 1 year time. That's very good news, because science has developed a lot nowadays. So till the vaccine comes, At that time, if everybody is requested, if you want to prevent, please avoid crowds, wear mask, unnecessary, don't go outside, wash your hands, follow the rules of personal distancing or social distancing. These are the things which are going, these are also known as natural vaccine. So, and especially for those people who are 65 plus, for those people who have comorbidities like heart disease, like lung disease, like diabetes, obesity, they are more vulnerable to seriousness of the disease and death of the disease in the disease. So please, I especially advise the younger people to please first save yourself and then save your elder members of your family. Thank you very much.